What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, back with another video. And on this video, we're actually gonna be talking about the JRL Ghost clipper. We've had it for about a year now, so let's go ahead and talk about it. Let's get it. All right, so once again, like I said in this video, this is the clipper we're gonna be talking about, the JRL Ghost clipper. Turn it on for y'all. As y'all can hear, it stayed quiet through the past year. Now, like I said, I got this about a year ago. JRL flew me out to Miami. They showed me this tool. They gifted me this tool along with the trimmer, the blow dryer, a couple other things. And you know, I did do a video on it about a year ago, but I wanted to talk about this clipper now, a year later. A lot of people always ask me, how do clippers last long term? And I've had this on my station for about a year. Now, is it my go-to clipper? I can't say that it is, and the reason for that is a lot of people are like, oh, well, you must not like some of your clippers because you're always changing them. You know, I have to do these YouTube reviews. I get a bunch of new clippers in every couple of weeks, every couple months or whatever, so it's hard for me to keep clippers on my station. It's hard for me to actually have a favorite clipper, but from a year ago, this one is still on my station. And the reason why this thing is still on my station is, all in all, it is a great clipper. Once again, as you can hear, it stayed quiet for the past year. Even though, yes, I may not use it every day, you know, go cutting in the shop all day, every day, I do still use this on a weekly basis. Now, once again, it's not every day that I use this clipper. You know, it just depends on what mood I'm in. Sometimes I'll pick it up, sometimes I'll pick up other clippers, but I have used this for a good amount of time. And I think I could pretty much give a good review on this now that I've had it for about a year or so. And I will still say that it's still a great tool, all in all, man. It just works really, really well. Me personally, I love how quiet it is. Like the click lever on it, as y'all can hear, the clicks sound nice. Like the fact that it does come with a slightly stretched clipper, or I'm sorry, a slightly stretched bracket on there. So the bracket does open up a little more than traditional style clippers. And I like that, man. I've been really enjoying using stretch brackets on my clippers. And this one has a small stretch to it, stretches out more than just a half guard. So I really like using it. And all in all, man, it just does what I needed to do still. I can still debulk with it, still blend well with it, still detail with it. It does have a 2-speed motor. So if I put it on the slower speed, that speed is better for detailing. And some people actually like the slower speed for fading also. Me personally, I fade on the higher speed, but I can understand why some people like to fade on the slower speed. I do like the blade. Once again, the blade does have these oil reservoirs underneath. That way it helps reduce friction and it helps keep the blades oiled a little longer. So in case you were wondering on that, and in case you are new to it, we do have the on and off switch. On this side, we have the charging port down here. It does come with a charging dock. Once again, just in case y'all didn't know, it does come with a charging dock. And like I said, I still have this and the trimmer on my station a year later because all in all, I think they're still great tools. You know what I'm saying? Like for having this a year, still working as good as it did when I first got it, still holds the charge, still cuts well, still debulks well, still blends well, still, I can see it in a lot of people's starting lineup, and I can see it as a lot of people's go-to clipper because still it works well. Now, they do also have the JRL Onyx, which is just like this, but the black version. Same thing with that clipper. They're both great clippers. I just wanted to keep the white one on my station because, you know, it looks a little different than some of the other clippers. People were always wondering, at least a year ago, they were wondering if this thing was going to get dirty. Now, it has gotten a little dirty. We do got some smudges on it. As you can see, I got like a little black smudge right there. A little bit of black smudges on the front, and that's just due to me. You know, I use enhancement. Sometimes I get it on my gloves and I pick up my clipper. But all you really need to do to clean this is run some alcohol on it and rub it down. You can use an alcohol wipe. You can use a cleaning wipe. You can use some disinfectant on your station, you know, whether you got the Andis Cool Care or whatever. You can spray it on your clipper, even some aftershave, and then wipe it down with a napkin. And it'll take off most of the dirt. So it really doesn't hold dirt as much as a lot of people originally thought. As you can see, my clipper still looks nice and fine. Now, if you are wondering if I'm still using the JRL guards, to be 100% honest with y'all, man, I wasn't the biggest fan of their guards, even though I know they came out with some newer guards. They're good guards. I just didn't feel that they fed the hair into the clipper as well as some other guards. So I personally use the Babyliss Premium guards on this, and I've also used the new Tomb 45 and Babyliss guards on this clipper. And honestly, I think the Babyliss and Tomb 45 guards work really, really well on this clipper. I'll give y'all a couple updated videos. Also, I'll put this to use and record some content with me using this in case you are interested on how this thing works. But I just wanted to come out here and update y'all about this clipper a year later and let y'all know what I think about it, man. All in all, I still would say this is a good purchase. Once again, not saying you gotta purchase it, but if you're a fan of quiet clippers, dual motor, you know, 2-speed motor on it, you like a longer lever, you like charging docks, it comes with all that, so you'll really enjoy using this clipper. Now, I don't know how much it is on the JRL website or on any website for that matter, but if Fort Worth Barber Supply does have this in stock, you can save a little bit of money with using my discount code TANK10 on that website. So once again, if you want, you can go to fwbarbersupply.com, use my discount code TANK10 on that website. Not sure if they have any of the JRL Ghost clippers left, but they may have the Onyx in stock. So same clipper, just different color, right? And then I also heard that JRL was gonna be releasing some new products and some new tools this year. So I'm really excited about that. If you're excited about that, leave that down in the comment section. I'd love to see what y'all think they got coming, what type of clipper y'all think they got coming out. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, I just wanna let y'all know what I thought about this clipper a year later. And like I said, a year later, still works the way it worked when I first got it. Still does everything I needed to do. You know, all in all, it was just a great tool, man. So shout out to JRL for the JRL clipper, man. Once again, great tool, JRL. It's withstanded the test of time, at least on my station, for the past year, and it still works. It still works really well, man. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.